Hello, crafty friends. It's Courtney Brickner, the CV behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you kind of a replay of a live that I did. We made a candle holder with some items from Dollar Tree. And, this is for the people that don't really want to watch a full live. I have sped it up and showed you what we did so that you can see the whole project and make it yourself, because it's a super simple project. It's quick and easy, and it's perfect for the holidays. So just a little Christmas candle holder using some Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree and a little mirror for the base and some ornaments. So this is like a project that's like less than $6. So I think that you'll enjoy it, and I'm glad you're here. So let me just show you what we did on the live, and then I'll show you the finished project.
So the things that I used from the Dollar Tree was just that black mirror that it just hangs on the wall, but I'm going to be using it as the base. And then I got some Christmas trees and a few different packages of ornaments. I wanted them to have different colors and different textures, so these packages had that. And I started by just placing them all with a little masking tape because I just wanted to see placement. And I wanted to make sure that I had enough ornaments and could put them in the right place so that they would fit all the way around my mirror. So then once I got all of the ornaments in the order that I liked, then I used a glue gun and glued them down into place. And I had a little bit of an issue because I was gluing them down into place, and it turned out that I was gluing them a little bit too close together. I guess I just didn't use the exact placement that I had my masking tape. So I had to pull a couple of them up to move it around. Now that pulled off some of the finish on my mirror, but sometimes you have projects that you just don't look on certain places and you just turn them around to the other side. So I tried to get off the ornament that actually kind of pulled off and stuck onto the mirror, and I was able to get most of it off, but some of it still stayed. I was able to glue them on top in some places, and I think overall it worked out in the end. I ended up getting the placement right, and I think that it's going to be very, very cute. So then after I got all of the ornaments in place, I took the trees and cut off the bottom because they've got a little wooden base to them, and I wanted to stick them inside the ornaments. So I used some wire cutters, cut off the bottom of cut off the whole base on the bottom, stuck them in. I was just trying to get the colors that I wanted, the pattern that I wanted. So once I got that, I just glued them all into place, and it turned out really well.
Here is our finished candle holder. I love it. So you see it's got the mirror at the base, and then just different color trees and different size trees, and the candle can go in the middle. I think I might add some greenery to it around on the inside because it's kind of, it's got a lot of space on the sides of the candle where it would be some nice, like a garland or something that you could put on the inside. So I think that's what I want to add to it. But I love how it turned out. And like I said in the video, there were a couple spots where I messed up, so like right here. But you know what? It's all right. We're just going to turn it around on this side, and then you won't see it. So I think that it's totally cute. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss anything crafty. I'm here every week making something fun. This is at the Crafty Adventure every week. I make a new project, so I hope you'll tune in. Until next time, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.